Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm David, and today we're diving into one of the most requested topics, indoor plant care for beginners. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know to keep your houseplants happy and thriving, from watering correctly and giving them the right light, to choosing the best pots, soil, and even how to deal with common plant problems like yellow leaves or root rot. So, if you've just started your indoor gardening journey in the USA, Canada, Australia, or anywhere else, this video will be your go-to guide. Stick around, because I'll also share some pro tips at the end that even many experienced plant parents don't know. Section 1 starts simple, choosing the right plant. Before we even talk about care, the first mistake many beginners make is choosing a plant that's too demanding. If you live in the USA or Canada where winters can be really cold and dry indoors, you don't want to start with a plant that needs high humidity. If you're in Australia, where summers can get super hot, avoid delicate plants that burn in direct sunlight. Great beginner plants include snake plant, Sansevieria, extremely low maintenance, tolerates low light. ZZ plant, survives neglect, only needs occasional watering. Pothos, money plant, fast growing, forgiving if you forget to water. Spider plant, easy to care for, also helps clean the air. Start with one of these before moving on to high-maintenance plants like fiddle leaf figs or orchids. Section 2. Light, the number one factor. Most people think watering is the hardest part, but actually, light is the most important factor for indoor plants. If you're in the USA or Canada, windows facing south usually give the best light. In Australia, it's the north-facing windows. East-facing windows give gentle morning sunlight, which is perfect for most houseplants. West-facing windows can be harsh, great for succulents, but not so good for tropical plants. A simple tip: if you can comfortably read a book by the window without turning on a light, that's usually enough for most plants. If your home doesn't get enough sunlight, consider using a grow light. Many affordable LED grow lights are available online, and they make a huge difference. Section 3. Watering. Avoid overwatering. Overwatering is the number one killer of indoor plants. Here's how to avoid it. Always check the top 1 to 2 inches of soil before watering. If it's still damp, wait. Use pots with drainage holes. Never let water sit at the bottom. For plants like succulents, let the soil dry out completely before watering again. For tropical plants like pothos or peace lilies, keep the soil slightly moist but never soggy. A real beginner mistake is watering on a schedule, like every Monday. Plants don't work like that. Instead, water when the plant needs it. Section 4. The right soil and pot. Soil matters more than most beginners realize. Using garden soil indoors usually leads to pests and poor drainage. Instead, use a well-draining indoor potting mix. For succulents and cacti, use a cactus mix with sand or perlite. For tropical plants, mix regular potting soil with cocoa coir or perlite to keep it airy. And don't forget about the pot. Clay or terracotta pots are breathable and prevent overwatering issues. Plastic pots hold moisture longer, good if you live in hot, dry areas. Section 5. Humidity and temperature. Indoor environments differ across countries. In the USA and Canada, winters are very dry indoors due to heating. Plants like ferns or calatheas may struggle. A simple fix is placing a humidifier nearby or grouping plants together. In Australia, the problem is often too much heat. Keep delicate plants away from hot windows and use sheer curtains to filter the sunlight. In the UK, homes tend to be cooler and darker, so low-light plants like snake plants, ZZ plants, or pothos are the best choice. Section 6. Common problems and quick fixes. Yellow leaves, usually overwatering. Brown, crispy tips, low humidity or too much fertilizer. Droopy plant, could be underwatering or root issues. Small flying bugs, fungus gnats. Let soil dry out and use sticky traps. Don't panic if your plant drops a leaf or two. It's normal as they adjust to your home. Section 7. Pro tips for beginners. Rotate your plants every 2 weeks so all sides get light. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth once a month. Dust blocks light. Don't repot too often. Most plants only need repotting every 1 to 2 years. Fertilize lightly during spring and summer, but skip in winter. Observe your plant. They tell you what they need through their leaves. And that's it. The best indoor plant care tips for beginners. Whether you're in the USA, Canada, Australia, or the UK, these simple tips will help your plants thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and let me know in the comments what plant you're growing at home. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.